How to remove Steam Mobile Authenticator without a phone. Now, there's actually a lot of process or a lot of ways for you to be able to keep away from mobile authenticator. But in this case, you'll have to log in or use the specific process all the way from any browser that you can use when you're in. So just head over directly to Steam's official website and then go to login. Now in here, all you have to do next is just choose on this option here that says help, I can't sign in. Click on that. And then you'll be redirected to Steam support features or options. So what you want to need from here is just choose on I deleted or lost my Steam Guard mobile authenticator. And then here. So you could actually access your account or recover it without the mobile authenticator. However, you need to have at least your phone number or your email address. Once you've input your email address that is associated to the account that you need to recover, you will have an option to delete mobile authenticator once you've passed um, security purposes or authenticator other options. You should be able to remove this and log in into your account without this option. And that is how you remove Steam Mobile Authenticator without a phone.